Okay, so today we're going to look at how to set up a website within the Builderall platform using the Cheetah website builder. So why do we need a website? Well, having a website is the foundation of a business online. It lets us present our contact information, products, and services. It also lets us build trust with our website visitors and collect leads that we can later convert into customers. In short, our website is our digital real estate online. It will be useful whether we plan to sell our own products and services or promote products and services of other companies. Now, let's look at how we can quickly and easily set up our website in Builderall using the Cheetah website builder. And if by chance you haven't yet signed up for your free trial of Builderall and at the same time gotten access to the $997 affiliate marketing course for free, then I suggest you do so by clicking the link below right now. All right, so time to start setting up our website. And we can do this either from the Tools tab here and go to Cheetah Builder, or from the Apps tab up here and again go to the Cheetah website builder. So let's click on that. And so that takes us to the Cheetah website builder within Builderall. And the first thing you see is this overview video, which you'll get these videos on most of the tools within Builderall to help you just get a quick overview of the tool itself. And then you can also always turn to the knowledge base, of course, and all the tutorials and trainings that you have within Builderall. Now you can see that I have a couple of websites published already, and I also have a few unpublished websites that I'm working on. But to build a new website, let's hit Create New Site. And now we can either use the professional templates or a smart template. So let's say you don't already have any tags, then you would probably choose the professional templates. So let's click that. So here we have a lot of different templates to choose between, or we could go with a blank template, of course, if we want to do that. And this all makes it very, very easy for us to build a website either for ourselves or a client. So now we just want to build a simple home page. This is going to be the home page of our website, and then later on we're going to build the funnel in the funnel builder and connect this together. So right now we just want to build a home page. Let's go with this one. We could preview that one, and I think it looks pretty fine. So let's say we want to use this one, and then we can just come back here and select this, and then confirm that that's the page we want to have. And then we need to allow the system some time to build the website for us. All right, so let's come back to the Cheetah builder here. All right, so that created our new site. And if we click the three dots here in the right corner, we have a lot of options. We can unpublish this site, we can enable a public link, transfer it, duplicate it, go to the website itself, connect a domain, which we will get back to later in this training. Very important for different reasons to connect your own domain. As you can see, this is connected obviously to my domain as well as this. However, this is still on the Cheetah domain, Builderall domain, and we're going to change that later. Next, we can go in under settings here and change a few things. For example, I will change this to a desktop version. I could also change the title of the site, the URL, give it a short description, and whether I want to show the Made with Builderall affiliate button or not. It could be a good idea to do if someone sees your site and thinks it's very nice, they want to build the same thing, and they see it's built with Builderall and click that button, then as soon as they sign up to Builderall, you will get a affiliate commission for that. So that's pretty smart. And then of course you can connect it to your CRM within Builderall as well. So let's do that. You can add a favicon, that's basically the small icon or thumbnail you see up here on the tab itself, just hit choose and choose an image to upload. So we can save this, and that takes us inside the website editor. So that's the same as if we just hit edit site. That takes us here, and here is the homepage itself. So now if we want to edit this, we need to hit edit page, which takes us inside the editor. And here everything is drag and drop. So if we want to move anything, we can just drag it and drop it like that. Very simply, we can also delete it, of course, if we don't want to have that there. Let's say we want to undelete that, then we just click that and we're back here. If we want to edit this text, we just need to come up here, click edit, and we get this here. We can also find that on the right side here. But let's say we want to edit the text. We could either double click it like that, or we could go here to the large content editor and then maybe have this say our agency name instead, or something like that. Just hit save. We've changed that text. Maybe we want to move it a little bit. Can move that up here. And maybe we want to add some more text, and we can just go into add here, elements, text, click on that, choose what sort of title we want, or if it's a paragraph, let's say it's a title 2, we just lift that in. And now I'm just double clicking it, saying learn more about our services. Maybe I want to realign this. Like that. If we click this, we could center element this, for example. Now I think I'm going to keep it on this side. And I'm going to take out this text, delete that. I'm actually also going to delete the form. Instead, I'm going to come to this side and find a button, which I have here. And let me just use this one. Put that there. Resize that a little bit. And then, of course, we can edit this element here. Maybe choose another color. Go with something like that. And then maybe the hover color could be let's say it's that. We can change the color of the text, obviously, and much more. We can round out the borders even more. Let's say maybe we want to do it like that. And then bring these all the way down. Now our button looks like this. All right, and if we want to keep edit it, we need to make sure it's selected. And then we can come back here and say maybe we want to also have a shadow on underneath our button. Or maybe we want it to go a little bit too. Then you just, all right, blur it out a little bit. Maybe spread it a little bit. Something like that. And then of course, if we want to change anything here, you could either just delete the whole panel, like that. That deleted that panel. And if you want to add another panel, you can come in here, add panel, and choose what kind of panels you want to add. Let's say you want to have a call to action. Double click that and it's created. And if we then scroll down, it will be at the bottom of our page here. Let's say we want to move this up a little bit. We need to click it and then hit the edit element. We could either do it here or as I like on the side here. So let's go to settings. Let's hit that again. And then if we scroll down, we find the move panels and we have it here. So let's move it just above this panel. Then we hit move. And it moved. And obviously if you want it even higher, you can do that too. Just hit move again. And now it's up here. So that's how you move it. You can also hide it if you want. And if you want to unhide it, just come up here and hit that, and now it's unhidden. Last thing to know is to check it on the mobile. Just go up to the left corner here and hit that mobile icon. That takes us to the mobile view. And here we can move things within the panel through clicking it and then hitting the up or down arrows, for example. We can hide specific elements that's just hidden on the mobile then. Same thing here is where you can find them. And if you want to change your text size, for example, just hit the text you want to change, hit the edit element. And then I believe under settings and general settings, you can decide how big that text should be on the mobile. Very, very small or bigger. Maybe something like that. Okay. And then we can come back to our desktop settings here. Remember to save your changes. Decide whether you want it to publish this site now or later. I'm just gonna say not now. And also remember that you have tutorials up here if you wanna watch tutorials on how to manage all these settings. You can learn more from here. Now let's just hit the home button, the house up in the left corner here, and say save and exit. And there we are. And now sometimes it can also be good to republish your site if you've done some changes. It's good to always know that. If you can't see it when you go to your website or web page in this case, try to republish it. And sometimes you also have to refresh your browser a couple of times because the website is cached, which just means the browser is showing an older version of the website. It basically took an image just to be able to serve it very quickly to visitors. But if you make changes, you sometimes have to reset your browsers a couple of times before you actually see those changes. All right, but so that's our homepage right now. And if we go back here, we can also under settings, just hit the three dots, go to settings, see that this is our homepage. When we have more pages, we could decide if we want this to be our homepage or something else. Okay, so that's our first page built of our website. There's a lot more we can do here, as you see, from creating memberships, ship areas, pop-up header, footers, and all these things. We'll get back to this later. For now, I would like to go back out here to the Cheetah Builder and hit the three dots on this website, go to settings up here, and just change the title to our agency website. Like that. This, I'm just gonna change this to our agency. Like that. Cool. And then hit save. That takes us into the builder again. And if we just go out here, you can see that the name has changed. So that's basically how you build a website and a web page within the Cheetah builder and Builderall. And from here, we're gonna continue and build our funnel within the funnel builder next.